So guys, this video was the Montreal Traders meetup. So today's kind of a more calm day. So it's time to enjoy a little bit. And I want to take a look at some chart. Today I've been stepped out on this breakout trade that I told you guys a little bit about on AUD. So I explained the whole trade a couple of days ago. It's been stopped out now, so I won't re-enter because there's no reason to re-enter. And usually when it comes back within the range, right, trade is invalid. It's not, the breakout's not there anymore. So you want to get out as fast as possible, basically. And that's what happened here. And this is, right here, one of the worst nightmare of any trader. Look at that. I had this position on NZDJPY. I explained the whole thing a couple of days ago. And right this morning, we've been really near the exit of that trade. It's really close to take profit. Really close. Like, let me show you guys. Couldn't be like crazy stuff. And price decided just to go back a little bit above, to pull back. I want to talk about this a little bit. That is one of the reasons why a lot of new traders want to stay in front of their computer. They want to be able to stay there to look at their trade and exit the trade if they come close to being to take profit, or if they get close to break even, because they don't want to have the loss, or they don't want to risk something like this, that you're going to have your trade pull back when it's about to get close, right? So it's kind of the problem with any type of set and forget trading. Or is it really a problem, right? That's the question. And the answer that I'm going to have to propose here is that it's not a problem. You could either be here, watching your chart, exiting when it's close to taking profit, but the more you do this, the more it becomes a habit. And if you do this all the time, you're gonna form the need and the idea that you have to be there to look at your trade. So you wouldn't be able to go out and simply enjoy life. You would have to be there to look at your trades. And if it's really what you want. So the idea here, when you have something like this on your chart, something that's about to get closer, either get stepped out and then price shoot up in the right direction, that's possible. Or you're about to get to a profit and price reverse, it's possible. But you need to force yourself not to touch the trade, not to do anything, to just leave it as is and just walk away. Because you don't want to be the guy who's going to be stressed out, thinking about whether you should be there to watch the trade and whether the trade is really going to happen and unfold like it's planned. You want to be able to step away. And if you step away in those situations, you can step away pretty much anytime. And that's really the goal. I just wanted to share this thing. It's kind of frustrating sometimes, but you need to live with it, right? There's no other way you can go around it. It's either you live with it, or you get in the habit of closing your trade early, but you're going to be in the habit to stay at your chart, looking at everything that's happening, and being stressed out all the time. The more you can distance yourself from this, the easier it gets. And that's the message for today, guys. I know this video is going to be a little bit short, but I really wanted to share this perspective today. If you guys like the video today, give it a like. Also check out the video from yesterday that I did about the meetup. It's going to be interesting, I think. We had some really good lessons there, and it's something that we do pretty much every month. So I'll try to go back. I'll bring you guys again with me. So check out the Facebook group at thisartoftrade.com/group. I know we have a bunch of people who just joined a couple of days ago. It's pretty much you for free. So like the video if you liked it today. If you have any comment, any thought, comment below. I want to hear them as soon as possible, and I'll do my best to help. On that note, guys, I'll see you back in the next video. Ciao.